Hello guys, welcome you all to today's video, and of course today's video will be looking at the best strategy for trading boom 300. Okay, we started this topic last week on PC, and over the weekend we treated it on mobile setup, and in today's video we will go further. We will see how we can trade it on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and of course we are still going to we are still going to look at crash 300 also, but that will not be in today's video, probably later on. Okay, but for now we will be looking at boom 300 on 15-minute time frame. So I want you to sit tight and watch this video to the end, because you're going to learn a lot from it. Okay, so just keep calm and let's see how it goes. But before I go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. In case you are joining us for the first time, this is a plan which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch some of my training videos, and of course practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. This is very important, and if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right away. Okay guys, just the way you have known, it is always important you understand the assets you want to trade. Once you have a good knowledge of the assets you are trading, then you will be able to trade it well. Okay, you will be able to trade it well. So this is boom 300, and I'm going to bring in have my setup on it. I'm going to do that right away. So once that is done, then we will be able to go on with whatever we want to do. So like I was explaining before, it is always important you know the direction of the market. Once you know the direction of the market, you will know when to go into the market or when to exit the market. Okay, let me quickly explain that before I even have my setup on it, so that you guys will understand how it works fully before we go into it. For instance, okay, right here we've got a resistance region here, and this candle formation already told us that it won't be breaking out from this resistance region, that it will be going back on a downtrend. And once you know the direction of the market, you don't need to waste your time. All you need to do is just to follow the direction of the market and trade the trend down to the very last part of it. But there is no way you will be able to identify this if you don't know your way about it. So quickly, let me have my setup on it so that you guys will understand how to take advantage of this. So wow, this is my setup, and this is how you can take advantage of it. Okay, this is how you can take advantage of it. So all you need to do is just to make sure you keep yourself and understand every bit of it. Okay, like I said, we will be checking this out on 15-minute time frame, because all this while we have been looking at the 5-minute time frame. Okay, and there are some things you quickly need to know. Okay, apart from you knowing the trend, you should also know the resistance, how to identify your resistance and support rate. Okay, so all these are very important. For instance, check out this. Okay, this is a major resistance region that has been on for a very long time, and the price action has been obeying this for some time now. Okay, it has been obeying this for some time now, and you just need to know that. Okay, once it happens like this, then definitely, or probably once the price action is getting closer to there, then you should know that you should stay away from the market. The same thing is what happened to this. Okay, when it got to this resistance region, you can see it pulling backward. Okay, and that was a major resistance region, which turned it into a full downtrend, and it ended it right here. So let's go back to 15-minute time frame to see how we can take advantage of this fully. Okay, so just the way we have seen it, you can always draw out all this chart in order for you to make your analysis very easy, so that you will be able to trade this asset for a very long time. This is 15-minute time frame. Like I always tell you, it is always important you understand the trend of the market and the best trend to trade a particular asset. This is boom 300, and if you are trading the normal trend, then the best trend to trade it is the sell trend. Okay, if you are not trading the spikes, okay, the best time to trade it is when the market is on downtrend. And just right here you can see it at the resistance region. Okay, and with this candle formation, then you should know that it's going to go on a downtrend. Okay, and it started the downtrend from there, and you can see it right here. Okay, like I always tell you, this is an opportunity for you to trade the market, and you can always exit the market around here. So once you have this popping out, then you can exit the market. Okay, let's say you didn't exit the market immediately, or the probably the arrow didn't come out immediately, but you should remember that it won't take the whole of the 15 minutes to keep on spiking. Okay, so definitely the arrow will come out once it is the right time for it to come out. Okay, so it has come out. Let's say it has pushed you upward a bit, and the rest of the profit is still yours. And definitely the market pulled back a bit. This is just a pullback, not a total reversal in price action. Then you should know that this is another opportunity for you to come in again. So you can always come in here again and trade the market till the next support zone, okay, which is somewhere here. Okay, and trade the market till this, then before it will now pull back again, before it will pull back again to somewhere here, and you come in again after that and trade till the next support zone, which is most likely to end the trend at that particular point. So all these are very, very important. Once you can identify all these, then you will find it very, very easy to trade this asset successfully. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame. Check it out. Ever since the red arrow came out, it has been going down. You can imagine you trading on 15-minute time frame, and it has been going down for about 5-10 minutes. That will have given you lots of profit at that particular point, most especially when you know that the signal you are following is in support of your current trend. Then you don't need to be scared, except if you are using a lot size that is not good enough for your capital to control. But if you are using the right lot size that your capital can control, then you are good to go. You will definitely make a lot of profits with that. So that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. So you just need to take note of all these and see how you can use it to trade the assets successfully. So let me quickly give us a few examples. Okay, just the way we have seen it, since the market is on downtrend, and it is coming from a resistance region, and we got our red arrow popping out. This is one of the best places for you to come in, so you can easily come in right here and trade till you are able to achieve your daily target, or probably till this blue arrow pops out, and close your trade at that particular point. And just like I always tell you, okay, let's say there was a little delay in seeing this blue arrow popping out. Okay, a single spike will not claim the whole of the 15 minutes. Okay, so let's say it came out when the spike happened, then definitely you will still be safe at that particular point, because it will only reduce out of your profit, and you will be making a lot of profit at the end of the day. You can imagine you coming in right here and closing your trade at this particular point is a lot of profit for you, because this is 15-minute time frame, and all the candles here are 15-minute candles. So that is about 21 candles. You can do the calculation. 21 times 15 will give you the number of minutes used already within this market, no matter how short it is. Okay, it will give you the number of minutes used in the market already. So we can quickly do a rough calculation just for us to know how it works. Okay, we got 21 candles from there times 15. So that will give us the number of minutes spent in the market already. This is about 315 minutes. Let's say we are earning 0.5 cents. Okay, that is 50 cents per minute. Okay, times 0.5. Okay, let's say we are earning 30 cents per minute. I'm trying to reduce the lot size. Okay, I want to use the smallest lot size. Let's say this is what we are getting per minute. That is about $94. Okay, that is good enough to be someone's daily target. Okay, and of course, if your daily target is more than that, you just need to pick up one or two trades again, and that will be end of it. Okay, so that is how it is. It is as easy as that. So at every point so far, your signal is in support of your trend, and you are good to go. You can always come in and trade and exit your market when the trend is over. Okay, so that is it. When you see a signal like this, okay, when you see an exit signal, then you exit your market at that particular point, because it might be pulling back just the way it is pulling back at the moment. Okay, so you can do this over and over. Let's check a little let's check a few examples of that again. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, it's going to work now. Okay, these are when the market was on. Okay, you can see this. We got a sell signal here, and it came in right here. You are supposed to exit here. We got another one here. You are supposed to exit here. We got another one here. You are supposed to exit here. But remember, the first thing you should look out for is trend signal. Is the trend signal in support of the main signal on the trading signal on the main chart? If both of them are in support of each other, then you can go with it. But if it is in the opposite direction, I won't advise you to go with it, because if the signal on the trading signal is not in support of the trend signal, then it might not be a very strong signal at that particular point. So it can just be for a very short time, and before you know it, the trend will normalize, and it will get you captured in the market for a very long time, and you will be on negative for a very long time, and I don't want that to happen to you. So that is always very important. So it is always important you follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay guys, I want you to go back to your chart and have this set up in your chart. Take it to 15-minute time frame. Try to identify your trend, try to identify your support and resistance levels, then try to identify the signal that support your entry point signal that supports the trend. Okay, so once you identify this, pick up your trade and let's see how far it will go. Okay, so you can trade that till you get an exit arrow popping out. So once you get this, then you should be able to exit at that particular point. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed in the description box below this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.